Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss a task 2 that is about soft skills. So let's read the task 2 statement. In today's job market, some employers believe that the job applicants' soft skills are more important. Means today, in today's time period, what the employers believes, employers means who hire the employees. जेडे employees ਨੂੰ hire करते हैं, what they believe that employees soft skills are more important. Soft skills means the skills like communication skills or how to interact with others, social skills of teamwork, all these skills, their personality matters are more instead of what important than their academic qualification. Means they are saying that their study don't matter a lot, their degrees, their qualification don't matter a lot. What matter the most, their soft skills, their skills that how to behave with others, how to interact or deal with others. So do you agree or disagree with this opinion? So this is the agree or disagree essay. In this we need to give our opinion that are you agree or disagree or partially agree with this essay. So the background line that you can use, the workplace of the modern era is supremely competitive and is ever changing, radical or dynamic. Means today's workplace is supremely competitive. Supremely competitive means there is lot of competition around us. There is cutthroat competition today. If the person want to gain success in their life, they have to burn midnight oil. Means lot of hard work they have to do because there is lot of competition. The competitors are like they are the good competitors now all around the world. So it is competitive and is ever changing or radical or dynamic. Means every day there is some change in the society, in the workplace. Okay, workplace ते कि daily कुछ ना कुछ changes हो रहे हैं, new additions हो रही हैं, कोई advanced equipments daily कुछ ना कुछ use किते जा रहे हैं. So it is ever changing or dynamic. So this बैकग्राउंड लाइन यू कैन यूज़ कि हुण वर्क प्लेस जी है एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्पीटिशन है, देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पीटिशन एंड सेकेंडली इट इज़ एवर चेंजिंग. मीनस डेली कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. द पैराफ्रेजिंग इज़ इन टूडेज जॉब मार्केट. मीन्स in today's workplace we can use, or in this competitive era, the workplace, in the workplace what is happening, a section of the hirers कौन होंदे ने, who hire the employees, जेडे job applicants नू means hire करते ने, जेडे employees नू काम दे विच recruit करते ने, these are the hirers or the recruiters. A section of the hirers or recruiters reckon means believe, what they believe, that choosing employees with social skills juxtaposed to academic ones is vital for their success. Means अगर असी employees ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ social skills ਦੇ ਨਾਲ choose ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, juxtapose means in comparison to their academic qualifications, in comparison to their degrees or diplomas, is vital for their success. Means company ਦੇ success ਦੇ ਲਈ it will be the more beneficial thing. So this is how we can paraphrase the statement. Now let's move towards the body paragraphs. In first body paragraph, as we are partially agree, अगर असी अपना partially agree the opinion दे रहे हैं, then we will discuss both these sides. दोनों sides में discuss करेंगे that why soft skills are important and why academic qualification is important. And if you are giving fully agreement, like I fully agree with this or I completely agree with this opinion, then also you can attempt both the sides in order to make a balanced essay. Okay, more impressive essay बनाने लई तुसी अगर fully agree भी जा रहे हो, then also you can say that I completely agree with this notion statement, but in the forthcoming paragraphs I'll discuss both the sides. So in BP1, what first point you can write is good working environment team building, time itinerary, networking, interactions means that these skills, these soft skills are essential, are important for what? For good working environment. अगर ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ social skills, अगर employees they have good social skills, अगर ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਬੈਟਰ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, obviously the environment in the workplace will be a good one. Team building, if they know that how to work in a team, एक individually work करना and in a team, there is lot of difference because we should be a good listener also. अगर असी team विच काम करना है, साडे विच good listening, active listening दी quality होनी चाहिए, otherwise we can't. We need to have lot of patience also. अगर patience होएगी, अगर if the person have these qualities, then only the person can work in a team. So team building is important to work in any workplace. किसी भी काम ते अगर असी किसी भी जगह ते काम करते in any company, team work is the important thing. Time itinerary, so the person need to be punctual. Networking, interactions. Networking is it is the fourth pillar of business. Business de which networking it is the important thing. And interaction skills, communication skills and networking. So ये networking and communication skills किवें better हो सकदियां ने if we are hiring the employees who have good soft skills, who are having the good social skills. So these things are very important in any workplace, and this can only work if we are hiring the employees with good soft skills. So first point you can write this. Second one is, some companies obliged candidates to take personality and problem solving exams. Now what is happening here, कुछ organizations, institutions, they are obliging the candidates, means उन्होंने candidates ਨੂੰ एक प्री रिक्वेस्ट ही है दैट दे शुड क्लीयर दिस पर्सनैलिटी टैसट, वो पर्सनैलिटी एग्जाम्स, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एग्जाम्स देंदे ने, एंड द एम्प्लॉयज़ who are the job applicants who are giving their applications for the jobs, who are the candidates, they have to clear or crack those problem solving exams. So personality matters a lot here. Globalized environment. Today the environment, the sector, the job sector, it is becoming globalized हो रहा है सब कुछ. the world is becoming a global village. So in this case there is continuous transition of employees. Transition of employees means उन्हां दी एक लेवल तो दूसरे लेवल ते चाहे प्रमोशन होना, और if we are hiring another employee for that person, अगर असी उस employee की जगह ते कोई होर ले रहे हैं और उदी ही promotion हो रही है, this is transition of employees and it is happening a lot in today's workplace. ਅੱਜ workplace ਤੇ promotion ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਇੱਕ business ਦੇ success ਦੇ ਲਈ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ person ਇੱਕ like ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ and he is working from the last 20 or 50 years. It will not work. So now there is, in this globalized sector, in today's workplaces, what is happening, there is continuous transition of employees. Transition of employees nu handle in a good way ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਣਗੇ if the employees have good skills. ਅਗਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ capabilities, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ skills ਵਧੀਆ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ promotion ਵੀ best way ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਸਕੇਗੀ, and ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ next hire ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, 2 year after 2 year 4 year अगर आप change कर रहे हैं employee दी place, it will only work if they are having good skills. So this is how you can attempt the second point. Next one is better stress management. Humans are social animals. Better stress management. Now there is lot of workload. There is hectic itinerary, hectic schedules of every person. So these skills were these stress management skills, this can only be handled by those people who are good with the soft skills. ਉਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ stress ਨੂੰ, ਆਪਣੇ workload ਨੂੰ manage ਕਰ ਪਾਣਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ soft skills better ਨੇ. Humans are social animals. Example that here you can give is dissatisfaction with work from home. It is work from home. Like you can give the example of work from home. There is now the employees in this corona pandemic also, if the employees are working from home, they are not fully satisfied with this work environment because they are social animals. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ stress management ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ if they are going to the organization or institution daily. ਅਗਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, then only they can handle their work balance also, work life balance also. Otherwise it is a devastating thing. Work from home, it's not a very good thing. ਓਕੇ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇੰਪਲੋਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਗੁੱਡ ਐਕੈਡੈਮਿਕ ਕੁਆਲੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਬਟ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਰੈਡੀ ਟੂ ਵਰਕ ਫਰੋਮ ਹੋਮ. ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਰਕ ਫਰੋਮ ਹੋਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੈਡੀ? ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੈਟਰਸ ਅ lot, interaction with others matters a lot, because the human is a social animal. So this is how you can modify the third point. Next in BP2 we will give the points in favor of academic qualifications. The first point is employees have to be adroit. Doctors, police, army, public safety is at stake. Employees have to be adroit, means they should be virtuoso in certain kind of profession or skills. अगर डॉक्टर्स ही ने if they are not virtuoso in their field, अगर आप कहिए कि डॉक्टर ने इन्हां दी पर्सनैलिटी डिवेलपमेंट, इन्हां दी पर्सनैलिटी मैटर ज़्यादा करनी चाहिए, इन्हां दी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स मैटर ज़्यादा करनी चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ देयर एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन. विल इट वर्क? No, it will not work. They need to have proper theoretical knowledge, thorough knowledge of each and everything, about each and every body part, every vessel, every organ. Then only they can go for the surgery. So otherwise the life will at stake. Means अगर लाइफ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਸਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ, if we are not hiring the doctors, if we are not hiring the nurses who have proper or theoretical or thorough knowledge of their subject. Police and army job is also like this. अगर ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਪੁਲਿਸਮੈਨ ਔਰ ਆਰਮੀ ਮੈਨਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੁੱਡ ਸੌਫਟ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਹਾਇਰਿੰਗ ਦੋਜ਼ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਔਰ ਦ ਆਰਮੀ ਆਫਿਸਰਸ, ਵਿਲ ਇਟ ਵਰਕ? ਨੋ. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੇ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਪਾਸ ਥਰੂ ਦੇਅਰ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ, ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਮਸਟ. ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੌਫਟ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ, ਓਨਲੀ ਸੌਫਟ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਵਿਲ ਨਾਟ ਮੈਟਰ, ਵਿਲ ਨਾਟ ਵਰਕ. Second point is requisite qualification is important. Career progression slow, no salary increments. Requisite qualification is important, means ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ required qualification ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ pre-request ਹੈ, it is important. Career, otherwise the career progression will slow, no salary increments. If the employee, one side the employee is like having a master's degree and he don't have like good soft skills, and on the other side if the employee is having good soft skills but he don't have required qualification, so there are more chances that the person who is having a master's degree, the chances of increment, chances of promotion will be more there. So that's how the qualification, academic qualification matters. Next point that you can give is preparing for the future. New innovations, discoveries like in pharmaceutical industry. So there also they need to have proper knowledge. अगर उन्हें previous जो medicines ने, previous जो discoveries होइयां ने, history दे विच जो चीज़ां होइयां ने, they should have the proper or thorough knowledge of all these things. अगर उस चीज़ दी deep knowledge होएगी, then only they can do the more or new researches, discoveries or the innovations. So for this also they need to have theoretical proper or the thorough knowledge of the subject of if they want to do the discoveries more in that field. Degree, reputable degrees from the reputable universities, it provides a guarantee for an excellent job. It provides the guarantee for an excellent job. If we are having the degrees from reputable universities, it also provides an guarantee. अगर soft skills ने ऐसी अपनी personality development पे more we are focusing more on it, and we don't have a proper degree, a proper course of a particular field, so there will be no guarantee that we can or we will get a good job in future. But if we are getting good, if we are getting the degree from a reputable university, so there are more chances for the person can get job in future. So this is how you can write all these points. The conclusion that you can make is a successful firm will have symbiosis of both these virtues. Both have their unique unambiguous position. Means we will support both these points. दोनों sides ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ support ਕਰਕੇ conclusion ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ. If you are going partially agree, if you are going fully agree, अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ fully agree ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ soft skills ਦੇ ਲਈ और academically, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਣੇ opinion ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ highlight ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ conclusion ਵਿੱਚ. Otherwise if you are going with partially agree ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕ balanced conclusion ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ that successful firm will have symbiosis. Symbiosis means mutual benefit, when there is like win-win situation, जो दोनों sides ਨੂੰ benefit हो रहा है. This word is symbiosis. It is a very good word. That successful firm will have symbiosis of both these virtues. Means दोनों ही both these values, they have the equal importance, and a successful firm will have the symbiosis of both these values, both these virtues, both these habits, behaviors. Means दोनों चीज़ां दी equal importance है for the success of any firm. Both have their unique and ambiguous position. दोनों दी एक clear position, एक important position, एक unique position है for the success of any company, institution. So this is how you can attempt this essay. Thank you.